Continue testing video functions of the CGR Android, which I'll be using at E3. I'm going to film some more video on lower quality here because I felt that in my last video test the audio was out of sync, so I'm going to find out why by hanging out with the Droid packaging, which looks really nice, making the Droid look like HAL 9000 so that you know reliability will not be an issue. This will not lock me in space and try to get rid of me. And my cup of coffee, which is actually this is my second cup of coffee. So for an audio test, let's try this. Sounds good. That also sounds good. Why? You know, you can also use the Droid packaging as a small drum. This is like the cymbal. Alright, that's about a minute of video. And let's test one more audio test here, okay. I like my Droid, but not as much as my Vex tracks. Alright. This is the kind of quality you would expect from Classic Game Room.